Welcome to our little unboxing. Welcome to our little unboxing. Welcome to our little unboxing. So, received the COLMi R02 smart ring, and it was quite cheap. Bought it at the AliExpress. I got the information and the knowledge from a Reddit post where somebody said it's kind of okay. It's a kind of basic ring for a little bit of tracking, and if you don't know if you want one or need one and you want just to try it out a little bit, this could be a good starter. So you don't need to buy for $500-600 a ring and then you just throw it away, or what? This is wasteful. So first try. Let's see what's inside. I haven't checked that. Open it. Okay, quite simple. Okay. Come on. All right. Looks simple. Oof, looks big. Plastic? No, simple plastic. But it looks alright. Looks fine. Nope. Alrighty. Yes. Okay, cool. That's the way to go. What else do we have here? Get it out! No, we've got the cable. The magnetic cable. Some documentation. Cool. Kind of feels good. Feels cool. Okay. It's not falling off. I've read that you should order a number bigger than you normally had. Normally I wanted to have it here, but then I just ordered, I believe it is the size 11 what I've bought. Wait, out here. Also okay. Nope. Okay, then that's where the, oh my, this look too much tracker. And another one here, another one there, another one there, another one there, too much. No, but it looks good. Okay, this also looks good. Then, okay, cool. That's mostly it. Let's try it out. Oh, that's a kind of really thin cable. This is the thinnest cable I've seen. Thinnest cable I have. Whoa. For that style of powering a device. Alright. But this looks good. I'll try it out and give you feedback. Thanks for watching.